Behold the magic of stippling, an art technique where countless tiny dots come together to create stunning visuals. Stippling is a unique and captivating art form, a testament to the power of simplicity. Imagine, each dot is like a single note in a symphony, seemingly insignificant on its own, but when combined with others it creates an exquisite masterpiece. This technique is versatile, lending itself to a variety of art styles and mediums. It can transform a blank canvas into a simple sketch or an intricate portrait, each dot carefully placed to build depth and texture. The beauty of stippling lies in its ability to create complex visuals from the most basic element of art, a single dot. Whether you're exploring different art techniques or looking to refine your skills, stippling offers a unique avenue for artistic expression. Stippling might seem complex at first, but with patience and practice, you too can master this captivating art form. To begin your journey into stippling, you need to start with the basics. The first step is gathering your materials. A variety of pens with different nib sizes will serve you well, along with high-quality ink and smooth, sturdy paper. Now, let's delve into the heart of stippling, the dots. These tiny specks of ink are the building blocks of your artwork. Placement is key here, as the distribution of dots creates the illusion of depth and texture. Closer dots will appear as darker areas, while dots spread apart will give a lighter effect. A fundamental aspect of stippling is understanding light and shadow. By varying the density of your dots, you can simulate the play of light and shadow, giving your piece a three-dimensional feel. Remember, the key to successful stippling is patience, precision, and understanding the play of light and shadow. With these basics in your artist's toolkit, you're ready to create your first stippled masterpiece. Once you have the basics down, it's time to delve deeper into the world of stippling. You've mastered the making of a single dot. Now let's explore how we can use those dots to create texture, depth, and form in our artwork. First, let's talk about texture. Texture in stippling is created by varying the density of your dots. A densely dotted area will appear darker, giving the illusion of a different texture. Conversely, a sparsely dotted area will appear lighter. You can play with these variations to create interesting visual effects. Now let's move on to depth. Depth is created by using a gradient of dot densities. Start with a densely dotted area for the parts of your subject that are in shadow, gradually reducing the density as you move towards the light. This will give the illusion of depth and three-dimensionality. Remember, it's all about the illusion. Cross-hatching with dots is another technique to add complexity to your stippling work. Instead of drawing intersecting lines, you're placing intersecting dots. This can be a little tricky, but with practice, you can achieve stunning results. It's a fantastic way to add richness and intensity to your drawings. Creating complex shapes and forms with stippling can be challenging, but it's definitely achievable. Start with simple shapes like a sphere or a cube. Then gradually work your way up to more complex forms. Remember, every complex form is just a combination of simple shapes. Break down your subject into these basic shapes and tackle them one at a time. It's all about patience and persistence. Here's a tip: use a light pencil to sketch out your subject before you start stippling. This will give you a roadmap to follow, and you can erase the pencil lines once you're done. With these advanced techniques, your stippling work can truly come to life. Remember, stippling is a journey. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and above all, keep enjoying the process. Your growth as an artist is not measured in the perfection of a single piece, but in the progress you make over time. Mastering stippling is a journey of continuous learning and practice. In the world of art, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity, especially when it comes to stippling. Each dot you place on the canvas is a testament to your patience, your dedication, and your passion. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a stippling masterpiece. Take inspiration from the greats. Artists like Pablo Jurado Ruiz, known for his mesmerizingly detailed stippling works. He didn't wake up one day with the ability to create such intricate pieces. It was a journey filled with countless dots and infinite patience. But stippling isn't about copying others, it's about developing your own style. Embrace your creativity, your uniqueness. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. In fact, some of your greatest works may come from what you initially perceive as an error. Remember, every dot you place brings you one step closer to creating your masterpiece. Stippling is more than just an art technique. It's a journey of self-expression and creativity. It's a world where each dot tells a story, where every speck comes together to create a masterpiece. We've started from the very basics, understanding what stippling is and how to get started. Then we delved deeper, gradually building complexity, layering dot upon dot to create depth and texture. Moving from amateur to artist, we've explored how to use stippling to bring our imagination to life. Each dot, each stroke, each piece of art has been a stepping stone, a lesson learned, a skill honed. This journey, like any other, is one of perseverance and passion. It's about exploring, experimenting, and embracing the beauty of stippling. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and let your creativity flow, one dot at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of stippling. Don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials, and remember, every dot you place is a step in your art journey. Keep stippling.